away from him. There.
Come here, come here. Come here, open the garage, open the garage, open the garage. Come here. I saved him! Yeah! Oh my god! Okay, go, go. I know your foot's broken. Should we, like, call, like, a vet? And, like... Should I just keep him as a pet? Like...
No, throw him out in the grass. He'll be fine.
I'm going to keep him as a pet. Sorry, Dad.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. I'm going to buy him mouse food, and I'm going to put him in a cage.
Where are you going to put him at tonight?
I saved him! Oh, my God!
Throw his dumb ass out in the grass. He'll be all right.
Oh, his poor... He's so... Hold on, I'm going to feed you. Come here. I'm going to keep him. I saved his life. I can't just not keep him.
He's not going to eat that shit right now.
He's eating it! He's eating it! Okay, you know what? I'm just going to let you go. Here we
Throw him
go.
out in the grass.
He's going to get ate by something else. His foot's broke. Yeah, his foot's broke.
It's not broke. He's just sticky right now. There you go. Shut the garage door and let's go.
He's sitting there. Get in the grass. Come on. You're such a dumbass. Come here. Okay, there you
Throw
go.
him out in the grass.
Surgical Laverne, you did it again. I did it again.
Bed.
Good night. Can you not put off the light? I'm gonna cry. I saved an animal. Yep, I did that shit. After all day of trying to save him, I saved him.
Hey, shut the kitchen light off.
Call me Cinderella, guys.
You hear me?
Yeah, I heard you.
What did I say?
You said turn the kitchen light off. Call me Cinderella. It's gonna die. I know, but at least I got him off of the trap. That's all that matters. I mean, maybe he'll find his mouse family and they'll put a cast on him or something. They'll fix him all up. Hi, Cinderella. Oh my God, guys. What have you noticed, Cinderella?